You know, kids, I thought that's something neat that you guys could do while you were at home is if you have any types of plants that you want to get a copy of, if you want another example, you could root your plants. So I do this regularly with herbs. This one, for example, is oregano. I just put it in water, and after a few weeks, it grows roots like these. You can do that. Another really good plant to do that with is rosemary. Rosemary is this plant over here. It's used a lot for Italian cooking, but it's used in many other dishes too. Um, in Spanish, it's called romero. Once I root them, then I put them, you can plant them in smaller pots. Here's oregano, for example. I planted it in one of our breakfast in the classroom cereal little pots right here. Here is an example of the rosemary, and these ones have roots too. Now I know it's ready to transplant in a bigger pot or in the garden if I look at the bottom of the pot, because all the pots need to have holes in them to let the water drain. If I look at the bottom and I see roots starting to grow from the bottom, that means that the roots have spread in the little pot and that I can transplant them in the garden, put them in a bigger pot, or give them to a friend. So go ahead and try that. You can try that with a lot of different plants, but usually plants that have kind of woody stems, you put them in water, you strip the bottom of leaves, you put them in the water, and it takes usually about a week or 2 weeks for roots to start growing. Okay, so try that at home.